Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to use text to column in Excel. Friends, in Excel sometimes we need to split a column text into multiple columns to better organize our data. So as you can see on your screen, there is a short list of names. Now in this list, I want to separate the prefix, name and surname. So to do that, I simply need to select this list and click on Data tab. Now here you will find the option of text to columns. Now here delimited selected by default. Click on next. Now here you can separate your text by the help of tab, semicolon, comma, space or any other specific character. Now as in my list the words are separated by the help of space, so I will select space and click on next and click on finish. Now friends, as you can see, I have very easily separated the prefix, name and surname. So friends, like this you can very easily separate text from one column to multiple columns. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.